This is Tom Uhas with another tip on the installation routine for installing File Notes Organizer 3.6 on a Windows 7 64-bit machine. I told you on an earlier tip that you first must go to the Start menu, go to the Control Panel, go to User Accounts and Family Settings, User Accounts again, and use the Change Controls setting to move the slider to the lowest position. What I didn't tell you is, after you're all done installing File Notes Organizer and you're sure that it's working properly, move it back to the default setting. Default settings right here. Say OK, and then reboot, and you'll have your security settings where they ought to be. Now I'm going to open up File Notes Organizer 3.6, and I'm going to show you how you can tell whether you have a good installation or not. I go to Options, and under Options we have File Detection, Image Viewing, Notes. Notice that here's an editor option, and I've checked all those boxes. That's my preference. Color and fonts, I've changed the font colors to blue for all of the menus. Zip file option, advanced. One thing that you can tell it is don't display the splash screen. Unclick display splash screen. Under performance, I tell it it's only a single user account. It makes it go a little bit faster. And then the final thing is diagnostics. Under diagnostics, test add-ins. When you hit test add-ins, it should say Paperport appears to be installed OK. Exceed zip file library appears to be installed OK, and outside in viewer appears to be installed OK. If you don't see all three of those, you'll need to reinstall, but only do so after moving the slider, rebooting, and then reinstall. Hope that will be helpful to some users. If you have a problem, send us a note on the CGI. Thank you for listening.